Let me show you how to check if your dryer is exhausting properly. You will need to go outside of the house to the dryer vent. Tape a piece of paper towel to the vent like this. Set the dryer on a drying cycle and turn it on. And go outside to wash the paper that you taped to the vent. If the paper is flying all over the place like this, the dryer is exhausting properly. If the paper is hardly moving, you will need to check for an air restriction between the hose and the dryer. Turn the dryer off. And let's check the exhaust coming directly from the dryer. Pull the dryer out and remove the exhaust hose. Tape a piece of paper towel to the exhaust pipe, like this. Set the dryer on a drying cycle again and push the start button. If the airflow from the dryer is good, the paper should be moving all over the place. If the paper is hardly moving at all, you have a restriction inside the dryer. That was a way to check the airflow coming from the dryer to the outside. Let me show you how to install the exhaust hose properly. You will need two 4-inch 90-degree elbows like this. A flexible 4-inch fire resistance dryer hose like this. To see how long the hose has to be, you need to measure from behind the dryer to the exhaust vent. You will need some duct tape. To reduce the diameter of the pipe so it fits inside of the 90-degree metal elbow, I use a crimping tool like this. You could buy a crimping tool like this at Home Depot or any hardware store. After you cut the hose to the right length, you will need to attach the two 90-degree metal elbows with adjustable 4-inch clamps like this. When you finish, the hose should look like this. Connect one side of the hose to the vent pipe like this. Then secure the elbow to the pipe with duct tape like this so it won't fall off. Next, you need to go to the pipe behind the dryer. Now attach the other end of the hose to the dryer like this. Push it all the way in. Then push the dryer against the wall until the elbow touches the wall. Now the hose comes from behind the dryer nice and straight and it won't kink. Now to check the airflow, set the timer on a drying cycle and push the start button to turn the dryer on. Now you could go outside and see how good is the airflow. Thank you for watching.